At the 50th anniversary of Ghana, I was invited to speak in Accra, and I spoke. And Malaysia also invited me to go and speak. Malaysia and Ghana got their independence the same year. Ghana got its independence in March '57 and Indonesia in August. And yet when you look at the level of development and the progress in Malaysia has made compared to where Ghana is today, it's all due to governance. They did not have the misfortune of having series of military coups and each leader coming in and wanting to begin. But now we have we are seeing civil societies develop, robust civil society, which are holding the governments to account, insisting on free and fair elections, insisting on having a say in how they are governed and by whom. And in some of these countries, the press are very active, sometimes too active.
Not possible.
But we are seeing progress. I mean, I was involved with the conflict in Kenya, where after the elections in 2007, and disagreement over the results led to a conflict between the opposition party and the ruling party. 1,200 people were killed and 650,000 were displaced. So I was sent in by the African Union with two other people, Graça Machel, the wife of Nelson Mandela, and President Nkapa, former president of Tanzania, and we managed to calm the situation and get them to accept a power sharing arrangement. But that work could not have been done and done as effectively as we did it without the role of civil society. Because from day one, I decided we should work with civil society. We work with religious leaders, women's groups, youth movements, and told them, the agreement we are going to sign is your agreement. Don't leave it to the politicians alone. You have to get engaged and make sure it's implemented. And they really, really played their part, to the extent that the long-term proposals for reform have been adopted. They have a new constitution, and civil society is very active. And we are beginning to see this in many other countries. And also, the African Union itself took a decision that they will not accept in their midst anyone who comes to power through the barrel of the gun.